my channel. My name is Deepa. Today I will be recommending 10 easy yet gripping and amazing books at the same time for those people who are just getting started with their reading journey, or for those readers who don't usually read a lot of books, so they can read these books and fall in love with reading. Reading is such a wonderful habit, but sometimes what happens is that people don't pick a right book and end up thinking that reading is not their cup of tea. I'm not saying that these are only 10 books which you can start with, but these 10 books are easy and gripping, so you can pick any of them and start your journey. So let's begin with the video. So the first book I will recommend is The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, if that is the correct pronunciation. This is the book. I will leave the links of the books in the description. If you want to make a purchase, you can definitely go. I read the book in 2018. I was so touched. It was so amazing. I completed the book in one sitting. As you can see, this is a very thin book. After completing the book, I was thinking what the book wanted to say, what it wanted me to understand from it. I reread this book for like 5 to 6 times, and the best thing I felt about the book is that it provides you a different message every time you read the book. I have one favorite line from the book, and I'm sure it has touched many hearts like mine. It says, "All grown-ups were once a children, but only few of them remember it." This is so beautiful. We are after all children in our adult body, so this book is a must read. The second book on the list is Paulo Coelho's The Alchemist. Book needs no special introduction. Story is very inspiring. It teaches us to follow our heart. It teaches us to follow our dreams without looking back. The story is about a young shepherd boy named Santiago who is troubled by a recurring dream, and to understand the pattern of the dream, he consults a gypsy woman who tells him to follow his dreams and start a journey to Egypt. After giving a lot of thought to this, Santiago decides to start his journey, and on the journey he meets different kinds of people who share their knowledge and wisdom with him, and the journey becomes an enlightened one. So if you want to know about Santiago's treasure hunt, please read this book. You will definitely love the book. Third book is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Book is based on Holocaust, and during the time of Nazi occupation in Netherlands, Annie with her family and few others get into hiding in a secret annex, and during that period she started writing on a diary which was gifted to her on her 13th birthday. I was surprised by the wit of a 13-year-old girl, and by the end of the book she was, I guess, 15. She wanted to change others' life and make an impact, but little did she know what the fate has decided for her. And living with such a small amenities did not stop her to dream a better life. This book is just a diary of a teenage girl, but has so many things to tell about the war going on during that period, sufferings of the people. If you haven't read the book yet, please read the book. This book will leave you surprised about the wit of a 13-year-old girl, and her positive mindset will leave you impressed. On the list is A Little Princess. This book is a children's novel, but you can definitely read it because it is very interesting. Sarah is a young girl who is sent to a boarding school by her father because of the World War I. She has a unique talent of telling stories and impressing others. She is very kind, sweet and loving girl. Suddenly a letter arrives and her life changes. Her life is shattered in front of her. Struggling to keep her spirit up, she makes a remarkable discovery which will change her life again. So to know more about the book, go and check this book. You will definitely love the book. And the next book is my personal favorite, The Ultimate Gift by Jim Stovall. This is a very small book. It is a big story, but it has full of life lessons. The book starts with Mr. Hamilton reading the last will of Red Stevens, a long-time friend. The main character is Jason, who is 24 years old. He becomes very angry knowing that his uncle left him nothing, but a different fate awaits Jason. Red Stevens knew the attitude of his nephew Jason and left all the necessary things like audio tapes and videotapes with Mr. Hamilton and asked him to do accordingly. The ultimate gift will be given to Jason if he obeys Mr. Hamilton and his late uncle audio tapes and videotapes. 12 months with 12 new challenges, tasks and lots of lessons. Jason, and for all the readers out there, definitely read this book. This book is a gem. The next book is for mythology lovers, The Palace of Illusions. This book is narrated by Panchali, the wife of 5 Pandavas. This book is the retelling of Mahabharata from Draupadi's perspective, from Draupadi's point of view, what she feels, how her life was, what her challenges were during that time, and how she overcame all the things affected her life, and what her true feelings were about the marriage, about the Pandavas, about the Kauravas and everything. So definitely read this book. Next book I will be recommending is 3000 Stitches by Sudha Murthy. Any other book by Sudha Murthy. This book is a collection of 11 short stories. Language is very easy. It will touch your heart. It will make you so beautiful. I love. The next book is again for the mythology, Mortals of Meluha by Amish. This book is about Shiva, a human, the story of a man whom legend turned into a god. First book in the trilogy trilogy on Shiva. First of all, you can read this book. If you like this one, you can go for the next 2 books. I have completed the trilogy and I love the trilogy. Next book is a murder mystery. The book is Penamra by Bhaskar Chattopadhyay. Prakash is the protagonist of the story and he suddenly receives a letter from his uncle. Prakash is a journalist and he lives alone. The letter was an invitation letter inviting him to the suburban bungalow to celebrate the 60th birthday of his uncle, whom he had never heard of. As Prakash reaches the place, he meets all the friends of his old uncle. In the meantime, his uncle and auntie both are murdered, with a bit of mystery in both the murders. Soon, Prakash finds out that under the surface of the friendliness, there is nothing as it seems. Once the murder takes place, the book, you can't keep the book down. It is a page turner. If you are someone who like murder mystery, or if you are someone who like thrillers, then this is your book to start. All for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see some more book recommendation video, comment down below. Thank you for watching.